Lesotho has conceded defeat and accepts the final ruling of the Apex Court, which nullified the state of emergency declared by the collapse of the 10th Parliament.
Yeah, a media monitor, Kananelo Boloetsi, and advocate Lintle Tuke had challenged the legality of recalling the 10th Parliament for the purposes of resuscitating the collapsed omnibus bill into law.
Both the regional body SADC and the development partners have spent hefty resources estimated at around 54 million. This to ensure that the Kingdom of Lesotho goes to the 2022 national elections under the ambit of the newly reformed laws.
The appeal court agreed with the High Court that the recall of the Lesotho Parliament, the National Assembly, the Senate and His Majesty's office, the work that they did from the 24th of August to the 29th of August was illegal, null and void.
The court agrees that the 10th Parliament was recalled using a self-engineered crisis and should not be endorsed, as this would set a bad precedent. The onus is therefore upon the Parliament to explain its failures to the nation.
But as for remorse, no, we are not. We have done our duty. From 2014, as we have indicated, it is two governments thereafter. If you start with the government of 2014, it is three governments. And we can't be blamed for the government of 2014 in state. We take responsibility as part of the parliamentary procedures. But we can't say we have dismally failed. We are this government and we are this 10th Parliament where we have taken the reforms into the National Assembly. And the work that is left, if we were to put it on a percentage, what is left is 2% of the work that has been done.
In other news, the government has announced the death of a Lesotho Army officer killed in a combat in a deployment in Mozambique. 8 other injured officers are said to be stable and undergoing medical care.
The situation has happened in that there was a combat between the rebels and the Lesotho Army, and casualties ensued at that point in time. The commander of the Lesotho Defense Force and the Minister of Defense, Honorable Alibonu have informed the government and the nation that we have had a loss of life for one member of the army who is in Mozambique on an operation that has been sanctioned by SADC and the Lesotho government.
The government sends condolences to the family and friends of the deceased and will release further details once all affected members have been notified. Rapelang Khatebe, SABC News, Lesotho.